Hear that? That's what I wake up to every morning. They're my instant alarm clock. They were up at 6:35 this morning. Usually it's 7 or 7:30, but for some reason I got up a little earlier today. And it's usually our lovebirds. Let me turn on the light and show you. There we are. Good morning. Good morning. You two are my instant alarm clock, aren't you? There you go. Yep. Good morning, everyone. Time to let the birds out and clean their cages. I'll let them out and then I'll get a cup of coffee. And then I'll start cleaning their cages. Yeah. These are adoptables. I'll get these guys out. Huh. Good morning, everybody. Yes, I heard you too. You woke me up. They are my instant alarm clocks every morning. So if anyone wants an instant alarm clock, these two will do it. Yeah. Don't even have to set the alarm clock. They'll just get you up. Here's the babies. Look at that snow out there. Can you see all that snow? Ugh. If I could be a snowbird, I would be. But get these two out, and then I gotta go let the other crystals out. Yes, we have these adoptables, and then we have 13 personal. Yes, I know, that's crazy, right? That's why we're called the crazy for birds. Yep. Hold on. Most of them are parakeets, though. So, here we go. There's for you two. You guys can get out. Okay. So, good morning, everyone. Adoptables are up. And these two are my alarm clock. Huh. And you two are my alarm clock.